Are you ready for the most delicious pan-fried chicken breast? Then you should give my Mediterranean grilled chicken recipe a shot. It comes with a simple marinade that has a combination of a few seasonings that make this chicken so juicy, tender, and delicious. You can serve it with rice, fries, legumes, grilled vegetables, bowls, salads, or sandwiches. The possibilities are endless. Let me show you how to make it. If you're new here, my name is Katie, and this channel is all about sharing my passion for delicious Middle Eastern recipes, food traditions, and culture with a special focus on my beloved country, Jordan. Let's have a quick look at the ingredients. This recipe works great with chicken breast. You can also use chicken thighs instead, or a mix of both. We'll need some oil for pan frying, olive oil or another type of vegetable oil such as sunflower oil. We'll also need some oil for the marinade. Olive oil provides the best taste. For the marinade, you need the following ingredients. Plain whole milk yogurt. This is the secret ingredient which makes your chicken so tender and juicy. Fresh garlic cloves, lemon, tomato paste for some flavor and color. If you like it spicy, you can also use chili paste instead. To season, we'll need dried oregano, paprika, ground coriander, salt, and pepper. There is a link in the description box for a complete list of ingredients and amounts which you can save or print out. Ready to make grilled chicken? Yellow, let's get started. To start off, squeeze a lemon for the marinade. Discard the skin, flesh, and seeds. We'll only need the juice. Then peel and crush the garlic cloves using a garlic press or a mortar and pestle. If the chicken is uneven in thickness, you can make it even by pounding it a few times with a mallet. Alternatively, you can fillet it with a knife. Either way, an even thickness is to ensure the chicken cooks all the way through. In a large mixing bowl, combine yogurt, olive oil, crushed garlic, lemon juice, tomato paste, and the powdered spices, dried oregano, paprika, coriander fusing, and salt and pepper. Whisk to combine all the ingredients to a smooth paste-like consistency. Add the chicken to the marinade and mix well to ensure that the chicken is evenly coated in the marinade. Work with your hands to ensure that the chicken is evenly coated with the marinade. I like to wear gloves for this. Cover the marinated chicken and refrigerate it for at least 2 to 3 hours. Heat oil in a large frying pan or griddle pan. Add the marinated chicken to the pan and fry it on medium heat for 4 to 5 minutes on each side, turning the chicken halfway through. The cooking time depends on the thickness of your chicken, but it's about 8 to 10 minutes in total. Once the chicken is cooked, remove it from the pan and serve it uncut or cut into slices. Prepare any side dishes beforehand to ensure that the grilled chicken is served warm. Grilled chicken is a very versatile dish that can be enjoyed in many ways. You can add it to a green salad or sandwich. It also tastes great in combination with beans, grilled vegetables, or a Middle Eastern dip such as hummus, mtabal, or muhammara. If you're serving it as a main course, try pairing it with Lebanese butter rice or French fries. And that's it. Your grilled chicken is ready. سهتين. Enjoy!